Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet star stitch. This is the very easy pattern, and this pattern I am using for this pattern I am using the yarn, cotton yarn, and 1 4mm crochet hook. Let us start. This star stitch is especially for blanket or dish cloths. Make one slip knot and make multiple 2 and plus 1. Here I am making 18 stitches, 18 chains plus 1 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then 1 more chains. And this is the foundation chain. For first round I am going to the second chain from my hook here, and insert my hook and pull through yarn and hold the loop in my hook, and then insert hook in the next stitch or next chain and pull through yarn and hold. You repeat same things 6 times, 3 to 5, one more times, total 6 stitches in my hook, and make it 1, and then 1 chain. This is the first star stitch. And then for second star stitch, for next star stitch, you go to the, this is the top of the star stitch, and here one space, here you see, you insert your hook in this space and pull through yarn and hold it in your hook, and you go to the next stitch and hold it, pull through yarn and hold in your hook, and then this is the next. You repeat 6 times, 5, 1 more times, 6, and you make it 1, and then 1 chain. This is the second star stitch, and then you same things you repeat here. This is the, here you insert your hook and pull through yarn and hold it in your hook. You repeat it 6 times, 3, 3, 6, and then it make 1 and 1 chain. you repeat same stitch in this round. I have completed my first row. For second row, this is the last stitch. Here I am making one chain and turn my work and go to the very first stitch and make one single crochet. Go to the next stitch and make one single crochet. You repeat one single crochet the every stitch. You make one single crochet in the every stitch in the second round. Then one chain in the last stitch of the second round and turn your work, and then you go to the very first stitch and insert your hook and pull through yarn and hold it in your hook. Insert your hook and pull through yarn and hold it. You repeat same things 6 times and make it one, then one chain, and then for second star stitch you insert your hook in the loop of the first star stitch and hold the yarn in your hook, and then go to the next stitch, very next stitch here, and hold it in your hook, and this is the next stitch. Here insert your hook and hold the yarn. You repeat 6 times and make it one. You repeat it in this round. You repeat same pattern in this round. For fourth round, this is the last stitch of the star stitch of the third round. Here you make one chain and turn your work and go to the fourth round and make this is the last star stitch of the third round. Here you make one chain and turn your work and go to the fourth round, and you insert your hook in the very first stitch and make one single crochet. You make one single crochet into the every single stitch. This is the back side of your star stitch pattern. Then you start here one chain and turn your work and make first star stitch. In the very first stitch you repeat, insert your hook in the next 6 stitch and make it one chain, and for second star you make same things. You repeat it. And you make this star pattern easily in any type of yarn or hook. And please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.